Do you have a ground turkey and you don't know what to do with it? Let me show you what a delicious dish you can make with your ground turkey. So the first thing I'll do is I'll just slice a red onion, one red onion. It can be yellow onion or shallot. Then I'll add a little oil. The measurement you can use as much as you want to. Then I'll put fresh ground turkey. Once I mix the ground turkey with the sauteed onion, I'll add all my spices. In this spice, I have garlic powder, turmeric, salt, oregano, and black pepper. Now I add a sliced carrot. This is optional, but I added everything but leftover seasoning blend. Then I added about 2 potatoes, sliced potatoes. Cover it and cook it for a few minutes, like 2 minutes, then stir, then add a little water. The turkey is by nature, it's a dry meat. So we'll add a little water to make it moist. Then we'll cover it and cook it for about another 2-3 minutes and the food is ready. You can cook this for lunch, for dinner. It's really satisfying and it's very healthy. It looks delicious, it tastes delicious, and your family will love it. That's about it. Now I'll serve it either with the bread. Some people can eat this without any additional bread, but I serve it with the slice of bread. This is my own recipe. I would like to share. If you like this video, click the like button and comment below if you like it or if you suggest something. By the way, I sprinkle a little green onion at the top of it just for the beauty of it. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.